Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Oh, you can? Hello again. My name is Linh Trang, and I'm a teacher from Ivy Global School. Do you know about our 21-day reading challenge? Let me join you with this challenge too. Today, I'm going to read you a book called Vibrations Make Sound. It's one of our 5 senses. Okay, so let me read you the book. Are you ready? Vibrations Make Sound by 𝗘𝗣𝗿𝗲𝗿. What is sound? Sound is everywhere. Sound is what we hear. You can't see sound. Sound moves through the air. Some sounds are short. Some sounds last longer. Sounds can be quiet. Sounds can be loud. Sound is made when something vibrates. Rubbing things together makes vibrations. Vibrations are types of movement. Different vibrations make different sounds. A hit makes vibrations. You can hear a bat hitting a ball. Air makes vibrations. You can hear air blowing through a whistle. Can you make sound? Clap your hands. Hands can vibrate against each other. Clap your hands harder to make a louder sound. Your throat vibrates when you speak. Say a few words. Rub your shoes on the floor. You can make quiet sounds. Knock on a door. Tap your pencil on your desk. What other sounds can you make? I hope you can make more interesting and fun sounds at home. You already finished the book. I hope you can find this book on 𝗘𝗣𝗜𝗖.com and read this book. And about this series, you can find more of this book about your 5 senses. I hope you read all of that and enjoy. I hope that I can read more books for you next time. Goodbye.